Pagdating sa pagkatao ni Bamban Mayor Alice Go, sinabi ni Tarlac Governor Susan Yap na hindi niya alam ang background at pamumuhay ni Go. Ang alam lang niya, nakilala niya at nakasama lang niya ito nang maupo bilang alkalde, pero labas dito ay wala siyang alam.
I know her because she became a mayor. The council brought her to me months later, di ba? And said na she's doing well. So, ini-review ko naman, well-loved by the community. She's been working hard. First time in her administration na nakatanggap ang kanyang bayan ng SGLG. So, besides that personal, not much eh. Really, mostly work ang work.
Ayon pa sa gobernador, nasopresaan niya siya na may illegal na pogo sa Bamban, gayong wala namang nag-apply na mag-operate ng pogo sa lugar.
The licensing agencies never has excluded us in the process, so wala eh. So in our Peace and Order Council, there was never lumabas na merong pogo operations, that there was and I don't know how long they've been operating there. Has excluded us in the process, so wala eh. So in our Peace and Order Council, there was never lumabas na merong pogo operations, that there was and I don't know how long they've been operating there.
Payo naman ng gobernador kay Go, magsabi lang ito ng totoo sa pagdinig ng Senado. Samantala, iginiit ng gobernador na matagal nang nakaban ang operasyon ng pogo sa kanilang lalawigan.
Meron kami talaga. As early as January 2021, we've already had a resolution. And in fact, nire-reiterate, kaya I asked Vice Governor David to convene the i-reiterate na yung aming ban, 'di ba, on illegal and pogo, 'di ba?
Sakali man anyang ibigay sa probinsya ang ipinasarang Pogo Hub sa Bamban, gagamitin nila itong hotel o paaralan.
Kung bibigay sa probinsya, daming pwedeng gawin doon. We need more schools, right? TSU wants to put up, we need community colleges. That would be a good venue. We need a good hotel.
Nestor Torres, humahataw sa balita ngayon.